Hello, this is the police station. Officer Kiki speaking.
Huh?
If you're in trouble, call Officer Kiki. The phone's ringing. Officer Kiki, go, go, go! Happened here? I lost my necklace. What should I do? Well, have you searched all over the house? Not yet. Then let's go look at your house first. Help Hank find his necklace. The item is not here. Drag the correct gear onto the turntable. You found it! You're awesome! Hank, here you go. Thank you, officer. Is it right for Hank to leave his valuable jewelry lying about? Think it over. Excellent. Put away valuable things and keep them well. Don't just leave them around.